Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD, and my dear GBP USD lovers, I do not have a good news for you. If you have watched my previous video on GBP USD that I uploaded on Saturday, then you know it very well that I'm not very much positive on the chart of GBP USD. And after the market opening, we can see that there is not much movement and the story has not changed at all. If you're watching my videos for the first time and if you want a detailed analysis on GBP USD, then please go to the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, that is a long video of around 9 minutes. Anyways, right now market is trading at 1.3249. This is the current market price of GBP USD here. As we all know, the GBP USD was in strong downtrend for quite some time, and if we go to the daily chart or weekly chart, we can see GBP USD ultimately took support at this level here of 1.3200. But keep in mind that 1.3200 is not a very strong support or a prominent support for the market, so therefore we cannot rely much on this level. In case of a good selling, obviously market will break the support and will go down further, so be careful, do not rely much on this level. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, after the market opening, dollar is trying to go up. As we all know, on Monday mornings market is usually flat and slow, so right now we do not have much movement. In case it goes up also, DXY, then the trend line at the top will be acting as the resistance for the market. Okay, so if it reverses from the trend line, there will be buying on GBP USD again. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY for any sharp movements. Okay, just keep in mind, in case we see some selling on DXY, then we have a very strong support at 95.80 to 95.50. This is a very strong support zone for DXY. So this is the this is the chart of GBP USD, and as I have already mentioned in my previous video that yes, honestly speaking, I do not see any good levels on the chart of GBP USD, right? I think we should give some time to GBP USD, because after all we are traders, not gamblers, that we will trade anywhere on the chart. No, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. If you are a trader, then you should also wait for the right opportunity. There are multiple pairs on the market, there are multiple opportunities available on the market, so don't risk your hard-earned money on the chart that we do not understand properly. Okay, and if you are looking for a long-term opportunity, if you want to take a positional trade, yes, then you can take a buy. Okay, then you can take a buy here, okay, with your stop loss below these levels, with a stop loss below 1.3150 level, and you can take a buy. Okay, but keep in mind that this will be a positional trade. It means that your trade will last for 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, 15 days. It may last for many days. But for day trading purpose, I do not see much on the chart right now. And if you're thinking that why can't we short or take a sell position at this level, then see market has just broke the trend line which was acting as a resistance. So yes, you can take a sell position, but still this is not a very ideal position to short term market. As I said, do not force your trades, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So GBP USD lovers, I'm extremely sorry that I do not have much to offer today. Okay, so, and my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program, and the main intention of Pro Trader program is to provide you all the upcoming best opportunities in the market, so that you do not have to trade on charts that you do not understand. Okay, in the Pro Trader program, I also provide 1 or 2 signals each and every day. Plus, I provide the best trading opportunities in the market, and we do many stuff. Okay, so just go to my website if you want to know more about the Pro Trader program. You'll find all the information. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.